Hey, what's going on? Aaron Chen here. If you're watching this video right now, you might be doing a bit of research on Clickbank affiliate marketing. So I'm going to teach you exactly how to get great results from Clickbank in a minute. See you in a second. Hey, welcome back. If this is the first time you're watching one of my videos, I'm always coming out with content that will teach you how to earn your first dollar on the internet. So consider subscribing to the channel at any time and at any time you want. If you want to learn my 6-figure affiliate marketing strategies, you can just click the link in the description box below, okay? But right now what I'm going to talk about is I'm going to talk a little bit more about Clickbank affiliate marketing, and I'm going to teach you some pretty crazy stuff that very few people actually talk about Clickbank, right? So you could be on, YouTube or whatever video channel you are right now, and if you do a ton of research on Clickbank, you're just gonna find a lot of junk, okay? All the guys out there that are talking about Clickbank, they don't really show you how to get profitable at Clickbank. What they do teach you how to do is how to go to Clickbank, how to find an offer, how to get your hop link. I mean, this is all super basic stuff, okay? I'm not gonna cover that in this video because it's not important. You can go and research YouTube, until the cows come home, and you're gonna be able to find a ton of videos that will show you how to pick, a decent offer, what gravity means, all that kind of stuff, and how to promote your hop link, right? But again, I'm not gonna waste time showing you how to do that because that's not important. What I'm gonna teach you how to do inside of this video is how to not promote your Clickbank stuff, because if you do it this way, which is what 99% of the market teaches, you're not gonna make any money, okay? So just understand that Clickbank, all Clickbank is, it's a marketplace. It's a free marketplace where you can, get lots of different offers in any kind of niche market that you want. So if you're, if you want to sell products on weight loss, or you want to sell products on make money online, or lead generation, or how to learn to play the guitar, or how to get six-pack abs, that's where you can find it. And most of the Clickbank products you can market for free. But what you can't do for free is learning how to do it properly, okay, and setting up your business to generate leads and, capture those leads and all that good stuff, okay? So just understand that's the big caveat that I wanted to give you right now. But if you're cool with that, if you're like, Aaron, I get it, this is online business, I need to spend a bit of money to make money because I'm a serious entrepreneur, then I'm gonna show you what not to do, because this is what everybody teaches, okay? So this is what everyone teaches online, yeah? They say, all you need to do is drive traffic, okay? And unfortunately, everybody online teaches something called solo ads, okay? Now, you don't want to use solo ads because solo ads are the lowest quality traffic that you can get online. Let me explain to you why. A solo ad, all it is you go to another marketer and you say, hey, listen, I'm gonna pay you $100 or $500 or $1,000, and I want to promote my link to your email database. So then you give them your link, they send it to their email database, and they get you clicks. That's all they get you, okay? Now, in theory, it should do very, very well, but unfortunately, the problem with solo ads is a lot of solo ad sellers, all they do is they sell solo ads, right? So if they're constantly promoting to their email list, whether they have 1,000 people or 1,000,000 people on that email list, if they're emailing them 2, 3, 4, 5 times a day with offers, what do you think is going to happen to that list? Well, they're going to become pretty unresponsive, right? Because they're just getting bombarded all the time, okay? And that's why in general, unless you're a solo ad specialist, okay, which I'm not, and I've spent more than $30,000 on solo ads trying to figure out how to make it profitable, solo ads are one of the lowest quality traffics that you can buy on the internet. So if people are telling you to go buy a solo ad, I would think twice, okay? There are a lot of other ways that you can get traffic into your business, and solo ads is probably the last thing that you want to try, okay? There's Facebook, I do a lot of YouTube, there's pay-per-click networks, there's banner advertising, there's display networks, there's just a whole bunch of other ways to get traffic, influencer networks, so lots of different things that you can try online, okay? But it starts with traffic, right? So basically, this is what people say. They say, okay, get traffic and then send it directly to your capture page. And a capture page, all a capture page is a website that you own where you can capture somebody's email address, okay? So if you capture somebody's email address, what happens then is it goes into your autoresponder, which is a database that you keep of all the emails, and then you can follow up with people automatically and send them back to whatever you want. Now, this is what people say, okay? The next thing is people say, okay, all you need to do next is send them to your Clickbank page. to your Clickbank sales page, all right? So this is basically your hop link, okay? If you don't know what a hop link is, this is basically your unique Clickbank link where you can send them to whatever sales page or offer that you're promoting, right? Now, if you do this, you're not gonna make any money, okay? And this is what people say, okay, all you do is you send them emails every day, email 1, email 2, email 3, email 4, and you just keep sending them back to the sales page over and over and over again. Now, look guys, if you do this, you're not gonna make any money. Let me explain why, okay? And I'll take you through the concept and then I'll show you what actually works, okay? The reason why this doesn't work is, first of all, 80% of people on the internet are teaching you how to buy solo ads. So your traffic source to begin with sucks, okay? If your traffic source sucks and they're not gonna buy any of your things anyway, then this entire model doesn't work. Make sense? Okay, that's the first point. The second point is that after you ask somebody to opt in, you're sending them directly to a sales page, right? So solo ads, they're not expecting to buy anything anyway, right? If you understand the way that a solo ad works, they get promoted to, right? And look, they understand that they're getting promoted to, but they're not expecting to buy anything, all right? Because they're getting a lot of promotions, okay? Even if this wasn't a solo ad, this model doesn't work because let's just say this was a Facebook ad, right? So somebody, remember, you have to think about the way that someone sees your Facebook ad in the first place. They're not looking for something to buy. Someone is just surfing on Facebook, looking for friends, looking for cool information. They're looking to be entertained, right? And then all of a sudden on the Facebook newsfeed, they see something pop up. It's a sponsored ad. It looks interesting. So they click on it. And when they click on it, they come to your capture page. That's what generally happens, right? When they see your capture page, it looks interesting, but they weren't looking for it in the first place, okay? So this person in the Facebook ad, they were interrupted. That's called interruption marketing. The problem with interruption marketing is the intention of the person coming through that ad is very, very different from someone that's actually searching for something. I hope that makes sense, okay? So search traffic is the best. Interrupted traffic, not so good. That's why Facebook traffic is, it's okay, you know? If you can generate a lot of leads from Facebook and you understand how to cultivate that relationship, then it's good. But a lot of people don't understand how to do that on Facebook and they just post a lot of pictures, and that's why Facebook traffic can be very low quality if you don't understand how to use it properly, okay? Now, when this person comes in, they were interrupted. So when they come in here, the only reason why they're leaving their email address is because they're curious, okay? So something on your capture page sparked their interest, like learn how to lose weight in 30 days. Learn how to make money online in 30 days or whatever it is, right? So they're curious, they put their email inside and all of a sudden on the next page, they see a sales page. Oh my God, they see a sales page. They weren't ready to buy anything. The person on Facebook wasn't expecting to buy anything. They were just clicking through because they were curious. And then all of a sudden they see your Clickbank offer on how to lose weight and all of a sudden they have to spend 50 bucks. They're not gonna buy, right? And so this is what's happening online. This entire model that people teach on the internet is broken because the whole concept of it just doesn't make any sense, all right? People don't buy this way. If someone has to land on your website, enter their email address because what you said on the capture page was, sparked some curiosity, and all of a sudden, instead of learning something for free, they have to buy something. They actually have to take out their credit card and pay for it. They're not gonna buy. Why would they? Right? Because the whole mentality of things that are going on online is that you don't have to buy things on the internet. Everything's free. You can you can search for things for free on Google. You can search for things for free on YouTube. Why should they pay for that product? Can you see that? And this is the reason why this model, which everybody online teaches, doesn't work. Okay? So if you're promoting your Clickbank offer this way and you're not making any money, this is the reason why. Because this whole model is broken. This is a broken model. All right? Now let me show you the model that actually does work. Okay? So you want to stick around for this because this is the good stuff. Okay? So the model that works is that, and I've been doing this for the last 3 years, and this is how I've been able to, I've been generating tens of thousands of dollars, through not just Clickbank, but, selling a lot of other affiliate products as well. Remember, Clickbank is only one of many, many marketplaces online that you can leverage, okay? I just use Clickbank as an example because it's the most popular one, but there are a lot of other ones out there, JV Zoo, Warrior Plus. There are a lot of other internet marketers that sell their own products. You can create your own information products. You don't necessarily have to sell products from Clickbank. Clickbank, okay? But I'm using this again as an example because Clickbank is one of the biggest marketplaces out there and it's one of the most well-known, but you don't have to use them, okay? But this is how it works, right? So just want to see if you can see this. So it starts the same, okay? It always starts the same. You send traffic, whatever leads that you can get from the internet, right? Whether it's banner advertising, Facebook, YouTube, social media, influencer networks, display networks, advertising agencies, whatever it is, okay? You send that traffic to your capture page. Same thing, okay? So that part doesn't change, right? You get their email address. It goes into your database, right? And then now you follow up with them, okay? But here is the big trick. Instead of sending them directly to your sales page of whatever you want, you must insert your own websites here, okay? And I'm gonna do it like this. This is your own series of websites. Maybe it's, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages. It doesn't really matter how long it is, but this is your universe, okay? This is your world right here. And this is what makes the big difference. I'm gonna put a star here because if you don't have this, then basically you're not going to make any money on the internet, okay? Now what this does is when you send them to your own content, I call this your own online assets, right? When you send them to your own online assets, you can do anything you want with this person. You can add value, you can send them an article, you can send them to a podcast, you can send them videos. So look, this could be a video, it could be an article, it could be a podcast, it could be, a Facebook. It could be a Facebook live, right? It doesn't really matter what it is. But what you want to do is you want to basically add value to them first. So the most important thing here is you need to add value, okay? So if this person opted in the first place, let's just say they put their email in here and you're talking about weight loss. You're teaching someone how to lose weight because eventually you want to sell a weight loss product, right? What you need to do is you need to talk about that topic. So in your first page, you talk about weight loss. So you give them one idea about that particular niche that you're trying to teach them in. So maybe you talk about the overall arcing principle of calories in, calories out, because someone needs to learn that because they have no idea what they're doing, because maybe they're 250 pounds, they've been trying to lose weight for the last 50 years or whatever it is, right? And they can't lose weight, so you want to teach them how to do that, right? So you give them one idea. One idea. In every single video, here, and here, video, article, podcast, or whatever you want, social media, website, and you teach them first, okay? So you add value first, and you sell last. Does that make sense? I know that sounds counterintuitive, but this is the way that the internet works now, okay? If you don't add value, you're not going to be able to do three things. The person is not going to know, like, or trust you, okay? And that's how people buy online these days. They don't buy from random websites. They buy from people that they know, like, and trust. And the only way that you can get them to know, like, and trust you is if you have your own online assets in between the sales page. So what you want to do next is you want to send them to your Clickbank offer. So let's just say this is your Clickbank offer, or it doesn't matter. This could be your MLM company. This could be, another affiliate offer, right? It could be your own product. It doesn't really matter, okay? Whatever you're selling here, your Clickbank hop link, what you want to do is you want to insert this part in between your sales page, because this is what I call your universe, okay? This is your world, this is your universe, and that's how you're able to build likability. That's how you can build rapport with your cold lead, okay? That's how you can build a relationship, and this is how you can position yourself as a leader inside of that particular industry, so that this person that comes in, they don't look at you as like another greasy salesperson. They look at you as somebody who wants to add value to their lives and actually teach them something, right? And so when that happens, this is how all of a sudden you start to generate a ton of sales and commissions, okay? So listen, if this makes sense, if you're like, wow, Aaron, that is crazy, I've never seen this before, I would like to know what you think about this in the comments below. So give me some comments, give me some likes and shares. If this like opened up your world, share this video, share it with someone who you think might benefit from this, because there's so many people on the internet right now who have no idea how to make money online. Everybody talks about Clickbank, but nobody talks about this stuff. Okay, everyone will give you some random weird ass strategy, okay, or they'll tell you that strategy that I showed you earlier, which basically doesn't work at all. And that's what they're teaching, okay? And that's what will keep you broke. I know that because that strategy that I showed you before, where you send someone straight to a sales page, I did that for 8 years, and I spent more than $90,000 trying to figure out what I was doing wrong. I could not figure it out at all until I did in 2016. And obviously, now it's 2019, 2020. Things are, obviously very, very different for me right now, right? But if you enjoyed that, let me know in the comments below. And listen, if you're like, Aaron, this is so interesting, how do I learn more? How do I take the next step? How do I actually build this out properly in detail? And I can't show you how to do this right now because this takes hours to do, right? I can't do this in like 10 minutes. But if you would like to learn how I built out my 6-figure business, how do you take an affiliate product? How do you brand yourself? How do you set this all up? How do you generate traffic? How does this all work, Aaron? I would love to teach you how to do that. All you need to do, if you would like, completely up to you, just click the link below in the description box. You will see a little link right there. It's going to lead you to my website, and on that website, enter your best email address and I'll send you some free training that will show you exactly how to do this stuff in detail. I hope you enjoyed this video today. Aaron Chen signing out. Speak to you soon.